this is Lily from Prasada Greenhouses again.
And this is Jean from Prasada.
So, what are we going to do today, Jean?
It's our pleasure. We will make a factory tour today for you.
Yes, so let's please follow us and show you the factory tour.
Okay, let's go. Now we are stuck in the steel structure production factory now. Hi Lily, where are we now? Can you introduce for us?
We are now standing at the raw materials warehouse at the beginning of our tour. Now we are standing. Here is the raw materials for the galvanized steel materials here. So you can see the piles of the raw materials here for the different size of the pillars and the structures for the greenhouse. So this is this part we piled here.
Okay, now we are standing here and with all kinds of black raw material. There is natural color without processing. And in the next, we will sending it for punching or welding, and then they need to decarbonize it.
So now we are standing on the aluminum profiles piled area, and you can see here, this is the frame for the cooling pad and fan. As you know, we have many projects in the high humidity and the salty area. So many frame or parts, we use the aluminum to make a higher resistance for the salty area and the rusting. So this is the frame of the cooling pad and fan. And also for the PC greenhouse, we also have the profiles here to insert the polycarbonate inside the greenhouses. So here is all the aluminum profiles materials for different kinds of the greenhouses.
Okay, now we finished the tour of the material storage area. And heavy storage will guarantee the efficiency of our working process.
Okay, so now what's the next?
And next, we will go to the processing area. And you can see that this is the welding area and punching area. Okay.
Now I'm standing at the near to the bending machine. This machine is to bend the arc as per the precise design of the arc angle. As you know, the arc angle is very important for the greenhouse design because it can increase the more light transmission into the greenhouse. So this is adjustment precisely is very important for the arc bending.
And there are two machines for cutting the steels with customer size. And this are the forming machines for the profiles. For example, we use it to make out the seat profile with the window wires to fix the plastic film of the structure. Lily, can you tell me what the machine is doing now?
Actually, this is the laser cutting machine, and this machine can put automatically all the raw materials of the square tubes on, and then it can cutting and make screwing the holes and making the different angles of the steel materials as per our design.
Oh, I see.
So it's a completely automatically machine.
Okay, it's very good. And what is the advantage of this machine?
Because in the previous old processing, we make by some old version machines. So the whole size is very important for the greenhouse installation. So now we can make the whole size and the angle cutting size very precisely, and it will make the materials more precise and correctly as per our drawing, and reduce the mistakes during the production, and it can speed up the installation process.
Oh, okay, I know. And now in the area for the finished products, And you can see that they are packed with different materials, the cartons, the bags, and all kinds of materials to ensure that they are packed well and during the transportation. And we have different project numbers and different shipping marks, and so that the customer can find these different materials to assembly the structure quickly. My colleague now is doing the inspection on the materials, and you can see that in her hand there is a material list, and this list will be delivered to the customer also. Then customer can check all the materials with list without lose.
So that's all for the factory tour today in our Prasada workshop. So welcome you to subscribe our Prasada Greenhouse channels and share our channels to all of your friends who interested in the greenhouses. Our team will give you the best services and greatest support for you for the greenhouse design and production.
Yes, thank you for your time today, and please follow us for more videos in the future.
So see you next time.
See you next time.